Welcome back, you beautiful humans. Today we're diving into my ear canals with this webcam ear cleaning device. It's like a GoPro for ear gunk. Buckle up, this is gonna be informative, gross, and hopefully hilarious. Behold the Ear Tickler 3000. Okay, not its real name, but it's got a camera, a light, and tiny scoop tools. It connects to my phone to show what's lurking in there. Treasure hunt or horror movie? Let's see. Whoa, it's the Mines of Moria. Is that earwax or an artifact? You shall not pass. Unless you're this scoop tool? Going in. Houston, we've got a chunky boy. This is so satisfying, like popping bubble wrap, but grosser. I'm an ear archaeologist now. Okay, real talk. This thing is kind of cool. The camera lets you see what you're doing, so you're not blindly poking like it's a claw machine. But why is this so addictive? Am I weird? Don't answer that. Quick PSA. Ear cleaning is serious business. Don't go Indiana Jones in your ears without the right tools. This device is safe, but be gentle. No digging for buried treasure. Major blockages? See a doc. Back to the fun. Ear wax. Victory! Look at that. Cleaner than my browser history. I can hear the universe whispering my name now. What's that, Cosmos? More weird videos? Done. There you have it, my ear cleaning adventure. This webcam tool is creepy and awesome. Used one? Drop your story in the comments. Found a lost Lego piece? No judgment. Hit like if you laughed, subscribe for more weird content, and I'll see you next time. Stay clean, friends.